Gould v. Gould 1970. H told W he would pay her £15 a week as long as he had it. She issued a writ claiming payment of arrears of maintenance due. The agreement was unenforceable, since it was not sufficiently certain. Lord W.L.R, dissenting, said, "I hold, therefore, that an oral separation agreement by which the husband agrees to pay the wife so much a week is legally enforceable. There is ample consideration for such agreement." Edmund Davies LJ thought the agreement was too vague to be enforced, but there can be no doubt that husband and wife can enter into a contract which binds them in law. Peters, Executors v. Inland Revenue Commissioners 1941 and a recent decision of Stamp J. in Merritt v. Merritt, The Times, May 15, 1969, afford examples of this. But it is upon the spouse asserting that such a contract has been entered into to prove the assertion. See the observations of Atkin L.J. in Balfour v. Balfour 1919. In the general run of cases, the inclination would be against inferring that spouses intended to create a legal relationship. See Lord Hodson in Pettitt v. Pettitt, 1969, 2 W.L.R. 966, 983. The evidence establishing such an intention needs, in my judgment, to be clear and convincing. L.J. agreed with Edmund Davies L.J.